corn.
It's ready. Get to the chopper.
You wanna know the key to making cattle feed? I keep it caged in my shed all winter. But in the fall you see, I go release the beast. It sees the field and it's oh so hungry. It's scratching out the spout to chew it up, spit it out. It comes awake when I start the engine. Into the corn we go, this is my favorite show. Why would you not want to be making a huge pile of feed? I'm chopping up the crop, I never want to stop. I must confess I'm a forage harvester. I'm driving down the road, smell silage with my nose. I must confess I'm a forage harvester. I'm a forage harvester. I'm a forage harvester. The down rows have been cut, the wagon meets the truck. The cutter fills till it can't get fuller. The truck dumps on the pile, and there it will ensile. The cattle really love silage all the winter long. I'm chopping up the crop, I never want to stop. I must confess I'm a forage harvester. I'm driving down the road, smell silage with my nose. I must confess I'm a forage harvester. I'm chopping up the crop, I never want to stop. I must confess I'm a forage harvester. I'm a forage harvester. I'm a forage harvester. It's got a roaring heart, its teeth are razor sharp. There's no escape for all the different plants it wants to chop. Some people watch TV, read books and magazines, but me, I just wanna be in this forage harvester. I'm chopping up the crop, I never want to stop. I must confess I'm a forage harvester. I'm driving down the road, smell silage with my nose. I must confess I'm a forage harvester. I'm chopping up the crop, I never want to stop. I must confess I'm a forage harvester. I'm driving down the road, smell silage with my nose. I must confess I'm a forage harvester. 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 When I'm up at 7, the sunrise gives me a glimpse of heaven. I get right to work, a farmer's life can be a little berserk, yeah. This is how I roll, I feed the cattle till their stomachs are full. Treat them right, that's my belief. What's for dinner? I say beef.
Gotta feed everybody. Gotta feed everybody. Gotta feed everybody.
I work out.
Side. Gotta feed everybody. Gotta feed everybody. Gotta feed everybody.
I work out.
When I step to the bunk,
Yeah.
this is what I see. All the hungry cattle are staring at me. I got passion for my plants and I ain't afraid to show it. Show it, show it, show it.
I'm farming and I grow it. I'm farming and I grow it.
When I'm in my tractor, I got more power than an arc reactor. And when I'm in the field, I try to raise crops to maximum yield. This is how I roll. Without me, the world be out of control. The hours I work, there is no equal. Gotta feed the mouths of hungry people.
Gotta feed everybody. Gotta feed everybody. Gotta feed everybody.
I work out. Side.
Gotta feed everybody. Gotta feed everybody. Gotta feed everybody.
I work out.
Side.
When I step to the bump,
Yeah.
this is what I see.